How to add YouTube channel to your Roblox profile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your YouTube channel to your Roblox profile. It's super simple, so let's get started. Head over to your browser, and once you're in the browser, make sure that you are logged into your Roblox account. Now that you're logged into your Roblox account, you can see the gear-like icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that, and from here you need to click on settings. Now that you're in the settings, you need to scroll down, and under the social networks option, you can see an option that says Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, Guilded. Now in the YouTube section, you can see that you can add the link over here. Now in order to find the link of your YouTube, you need to simply click on New tab and go to youtube.com. Once you're in the YouTube and you're logged in, now you can see your account right here. You need to simply go and click on your account, and from here you need to click on View Your Channel. Once you do that, you need to simply go ahead and copy the link that appears above, and once you do that, you need to go ahead and simply paste it over here. Now that you have pasted your link over here, you need to simply go ahead and click on Save. Then you need to click on OK, and that's it. You now know how to add YouTube link to your Roblox account. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.